this coming MER, there will be mass wedding. Kasalang bayan. All you have to do is to pay for the registration. Si Brother Nanding and Sister Likat na bahala sa pagkain nyo.
Wow!
Magpakasalan ulit?
So, libre na ang ano nyo reception. All you have to do is to pay for the registration for the accommodation. Diba? Ay yung food yun ng 3 days.
Oo, may honeymoon room pa.
May honeymoon pa yun?
Oo.
Saan ka pa?
Ang nangyari?
May kusinero pa.
So, participants should attend all sessions.
May cake pa.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Pero, mamaya, may exception tayo yan. If unavoidable absence are allowed. Absence.
All sessions.
But it says there absence.
That's a very good question, sister.
Ang galing, no? Hindi naman niya absences are allowed eh. Absence is allowed daw.
Unavoidable.
If
What is the clause?
unavoidable. Basa. Eto na. Nasabi niya dito, if unavoidable, only
If.
Only if.
one,
session.
two,
Sessions.
three. Three absences are allowed. In such cases, the discussion group leader will give a make-up session for absences.
3 allowed. Bro, kahit 1 session lang yung
But, may exception pa dyan. We have top 6 as much possible. All present. Top 8, everyone should be present. So, basahin ko ulit. In such cases, the discussion group leader will give a make-up session for absences. Parang wala nang gusto maging discussion group leader dito
Pwede naman mag-request yung discussion leader.
Ano yan? May 50-50 or call a brother? Or
Call the chapter.
parang alam mo na yung sasabihin ni bro eh.
So ano yun bro, kung may absence na one-to-one na lang?
No, I remember the last CLT is may attendance kasi tayo. So we know those participants who hasn't joined attended the session. So if we knew who will be these couples or participant who won't be able to attend that session, ang ginawa ko last time is I make sure na before the next session comes, they already have their makeup parang packet selfie style. So may makeup session na sila.
So that means like
So ready na sila for the next session.
like
Kasi mahirap yung i-makeup mo ngayon, pero ilan na yung na-miss nila. So before mag-start yung next session, dapat na natapos na nalalat yung next session natapos na lahat yung makeup. So, di ba, nagbigay din ako dati sa inyo bro doon sa kina Sister Jovelyn. Because important din talaga na they need to undergo all sessions even though makeup lang yun. Ang sabi nga sa amin dati, pag if you're going to do a makeup session, it's just like a summary. But what I did, I gave the whole session from the start till the end. Kasi kung summary lang ang ibibigay mo, ka rin ano lang. So it's better if you're going to give the whole talk.
But summary is allowed.
Pag-usapan natin yan, bro.
Pwede.
Pag-usapan natin yan. Kasi parang may gusto magbigay ng summary lang eh.
Wala na lang summary.
I was told by our chapter leader before that if we didn't make a session, we can just do the summary. Pero kasi pag summary lang, parang basahin mo na lang kaya. So what I did is, binigyan namin yung the whole
Sa
talk.
session.
Yung the conclusion.
Normally, the makeup session will be given by
The discussion group leader.
discussion group leader. Normally, it's a unit leader. Or unit coordinator.
Pwede naman yung unit leader na lang.
Okay. I have the thank you.
Pwede ba? Agree ba kayo na magbibigay ng makeup session is unit leader?
Yes. I agree with that.
Kaya na yan.
Okay.
Delegation is the job.
Of the unit leader.
Ito yung palas.
Alam niyo, maganda din kasi yung ni brother natin tama yan. Being a unit leader as well, you need to know how to delegate.
Delegation is the key.
And it says here as well, kasi nakalagay dito, the discussion group leader will give a make-up session for absences. Yeah, malakas ang loob ni Bro Nanting na mag-delegate na ngayon. So, if a participant exceeds the number of allowed absences, it might be a ground for them to repeat the whole program, depending on the recommendation of the team leader and approval of the chapter head. So, team leader, kung sino magiging team leader, nakalagay dito, if a participant exceeds the number of allowed absences, it might be a ground for them to repeat the whole program, depending on the recommendation of the team leader and approval of the chapter head. In CLP, we are not about the quantity, it's not about the quality. Kahit konti lang ang participants natin, it doesn't matter. Kung dalawang focus lang, it's a big help for the community. At least may couple tayo na gusto mag-join sa CLC. We are not here for the numbers, but it's the quality. So, ang problema ngayon kasi we have a new restructuring. Some units or some chapters, kailangan nila ng 10 couples before the end of the year. So, nag-aabot sila ngayon ng participants. So, tayo, ang kulang natin is 4 couples. 4 couples lang. Pero kung kaya natin na dagdagan yung 4 couples for our CLP, make it 2-3 times, why not? Because South is the fastest growing chapter. Fastest growing chapter, not only in numbers, but because we have a lot of talented members in the community.
Amen. Sandali.
Simple na ako dyan.
Meron tayo tawag. When it comes sa mga bagay-bagay na ang lagi nilang nire-recommend CFUA. 8.
Ay, mga, ay, gano'n.
Namamaya
Of course.
pag
One-on-one. One-on-one. Mamaya niya na malalaman kung ano itong one-on-one. Somebody will give this one-on-one later on.
Bigay mo na.
Okay. So, who are the team for the CLP? The team leader. Brother Chito, what? They were the team leader and Sister Grace the last time.
Sila naman yun eh.
Sila ulit? Ay, kausapin ko muna si Brother Chito. Baka mag-agree. Kayo din. Pag nag-agree ka, mawalan kayo ng trabaho.
Gagalit yan, pag hindi na tinanggap.
So, the team leader oversees the entire program. As a team leader, you are not allowed to give talk. Even if you want to give talk to any sessions, you are not allowed kasi you need to oversee the entire program. O, sino gusto maging team leader na ngayon? Kalahin mo, di ka bibigyan ng talk?
Pag wala kasi yung pang-venue lang yan.
Ha?
Umabsent yung speaker mo, tito mo.
Gawang pick up.
Inunahan ako ng Ferdinand eh. And, inunahan ako. Inunahan talaga ako. Eh, tignan mo, dito ako magbibigay ng... Dito ako hindi siya magbibigay ng talk. Focus attention the participant and dynamics of CLP. Wow! Yun ang gagawin mo? Oh, cares for the team. Help members to serve the Lord better. Okay? Know everyone in the program by name and be available to them in some extent. Pero, ano kaya ang gagawin ng team leader's wife?
Magluluto.
She listens with a special ears to the sensitivities and peculiarities being reported at the women's discussion group.
This is Ivy na pala na.
Diba?
Sige natin, titingnan natin kung sino talaga.
She supports and advises her husband in addressing and meeting the needs of the womb in the CLP daw. First lady. In some cases, she coordinates with servant couple in administrative and practical work. So, servant couple. Ano kaya itong servant couple? Ano kaya yung servant couple? Pero may assistant team leader din pala, oh. Assistant team leader in running the program. So, mas maganda talagang team leader kaysa assistant team leader. Kasi tignan mo, is in training for leading a future CLP.
Alam ko na kung sino.
May recommendation ka na, bro?
Opo. Yes.
Thank you. Paano sa team leader, may recommendation ka din?
Hindi, sa team leader talaga. Kasi assistant team leader before. Siya naman din. Team leader. Simple mathematics. Simple mathematics.
Hindi na ba yun?
Ha?
Ano na ba yun?
Tago na naman.
Parang ano ba yun?
Gusto ko yung sagot mo, bro, talaga.
Oo, kasi mayroon na talaga.
Baka yung assistant, baka yung leader ang make-up.
May makeup.
Okay, ito na. Takes over in case the team leader absent. Sana naman yung team leader, hindi mag-absent namin. Kawawa naman yung assistant team leader. Eh, paano kaya? Sa 8 sessions
Hindi
is
lang mag-holiday
kanin na verse.
Wala mag-holiday. Parang kilala ko yun.
Baka mag-release pa sis.
Bakit lang ba?
Kailangan ko.
Assistant leader.
His wife serves with him. Ibig sabihin, tandem pa rin sila. Diba? As team leaders dapat to eh. May S dapat doon. Eto na, the servant. Sino kaya itong yung servant? Diba ito yung kanina servant ko, Paul? Eto na. He carries the main administrative burden and assures that he needs to cover every need that may arise.
Bago.
Bago.
Parang ano to? Parang
He? So individual?
Eto, may si unit leader 1 natin ngayon eh. Yan ginagawa niya dati eh. Ano? Oh, you should not be a part of discussion group. Oh, tignan nyo. May advantage din pala ang servant eh.
Eh, paano siya makapag-attend ng discussion group kasi he carries the
Yes.
the
Kaya nga hindi siya makita singgap ang pangyari.
O sino gusto maging servant? Taas niyo ng kamay niyo. Para makagawa na tayo ng team, committee. Ayaw mag-raise ng hands kasi parang may mga bukat.
Ano yung basta?
Tama mo si bro. Ito na. So, each job includes the following which may delegate to others. Pwede pa lang mag-delegate to servant eh. Oh. Mark the reception table, have a checklist of those attending, give out name tags. Bago na, no? Make available hands up.
Ang daming hands out na.
Ay, sino gagawa ng hands out?
Yung servant.
Make available guitarists and singers. Ibig sabihin, siya maghanap ng guitarist and
Si Bro Joseph na lang, pareho na siya wala
Saan dito?
Sa'yo na ang
Oh, meron na tayong servant.
Joseph!
Pero, hindi pa naman
Hindi pa tapos sa ilalim yung ano.
send out sound system. Set physical facilities like chairs, light, and ang problema, may nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin na ito to, record. Servants! Arrange the refreshment.
Dapat iba na yan. May wife! May wife na servant.
Ibig sabihin kung servant, ibig sabihin apat sila ngayon kasi dalawa na nandun eh.
Kaya pala yung order. Diba?
Okay na after session. Easy. Easy. Patay tayo yan.
print out yan.
Yung print out na. Nakasulat na lahat pa. Ay, lahat yun.
Alam mo naman, sila lang dalawa maglinis, no? Lahat tayo.
But, ano yung tayo natin? After kay everybody naman, alam natin yan. So, good thing na nandiyan kayo. Kaya, nakalimutan na yung pangalan niyo.
Congratulations!
Pero, alam mo bakit
Baka meron pa.
alam mo bakit nag-agree sila? Kasi nakalagay doon, you should not be a part of discussion group.
Eh kasi siya
Not
tayo na yung trabaho niya. Nakalala ko naman siya.
Okay. Discussion group leaders.
Sa kanila rin yan?
Tayo dito. So take responsibility for the overall care of individuals in the group. Tingnan niyo na to. O magtas na kayo ng kamay.
Hindi ba ako napupuno?
Talagang kayo. They will personally oversee and bring to issue each person's relationship with Christ during CLP. Remember kasi may mga very experience yung sa discussion group, di ba? Kung minsan din nila masabi, tapos bigla ka na lang nilapitan, sinabi sa'yo kung ano yung mga concern niya.
Yes. Until now.
Dapat yun talaga, very sensitive issues should be not sa whole group. Pero keep it sensitive. Just sa team leader. Kung di maano ng team leader, escalate mo to the unit leader or to the chapter leader to discuss things out. Mas lalo na, remember we do us as well. Kasi may mga hindi pwede sa CFC yung masonry, yung mga witchcraft and so on. Na malay mo may gumagawa pala sa kanila ng ganun and then nilapitan ka. What will be the thing na pwede mong gawin?
Ikaw ang gumagawa ng minutes.
Kala mo? Hindi ko na. Sino may gusto nito? Discussion group leaders.
Servants?
I'm not going to elaborate this further. You know why? Because somebody will elaborate more further.
Okay.
So next session.
Kulang pa.
Okay?
Kulang
So,
pa. Kulang pa. Wala pang martial leader. Martial. Para wala yung warrior. Conclusion.
conclusion na tayo.
We need
We need both faith and faithfulness. So in doing this, brothers and sisters, we should have that kind of faith and faithfulness. So if you are being assigned as a member of the service team, then you should follow. Gawin natin. Kasi we need to be an example to the participants. Mas lalo na kung may participants ka doon tapos ikaw wala doon. They need support. They need to see you there. Faith that we are doing God's work. Yeah, we are not being paid here, but this is how we can in a small thing we can repay somebody. Diba? Somebody who saved us. And ginagawa natin to serve Him for His glory. And faithfulness to our own parts in God's work. Study and prepare as well. So if you are tasked to be the speaker, mag-aral. If you are tasked to be the opening worship leader, mag-aral din daw. If you are tasked to do other service, then prepare and be punctual. Mamaya nauna pang participant sa atin eh. But this happens. It happens.
Natulog tayo na.
Makita mo ay yung participant sumutulong pa eh. Mag-set up. Oh, totoo yan. And di kami makahinti kasi gusto talagang tumulong eh. Kahit sabi mo, ay, bosses, kami na bahala, dyan na lang muna kayo. Kaya din naman nila na nandun lang nakatayo. So, we need to be punctual.
Amen.
Yeah, so that before the participants will arrive, at least the place is already naayos na. Be a person who can be counted on. Pag may kailangan ng isa, kunwari, yung team leader, wala ng 6 times siyang wala, yun si team leader. Hindi. Sino ba team leader natin last time, bro?
Assistant team leader.
Assistant team leader?
Ay, yung assistant natin, hindi ko
Absent.
Absent?
Present.
Present.
Nag-pick up class.
I concluded.
Okay. Oh, thank you for
I
reminding
second
me.
the motion.
Okay, be dedicated to your service. Yeah, dedication. Yeah. Pag sinabing ikaw ang grace before wheels, pumunta ka kasi na-sign ka eh.
Gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan.
Ibig sabihin mo nun, ibig sabihin nun, ikaw muna kakain bago na.
Oh, sinabi ikaw muna, matikman mo muna para siguradong
Wala lasa.
kakainin, wala natin. Have the heart of a servant.
So hindi lang sila.
Hindi lang sila, lang servant, pati tayo, lahat. Diba? Living witness to our new life in the Holy Spirit, you too will grow and receive blessings. Pag ginagawa pala natin to, hindi lang sila nakaka-receive ng blessing. But lahat tayo. And expect the Lord to work for powerfully in your lives. And thank you, and may God be praised. Pasensya na ko, in-incorporate ko to kasi mas maganda na malaman din natin kasi may bago tayong di ba? Since 2020, they started this CNP 2.0. So baka kasi yung iba sasabihin, ano ba yan? Bakit may 2.0 pa? Hindi na lang tayo sa old one. Pero mas lesser kasi ito, 8 sessions lang. So,
Now,
eto na.
now,
Tignan na natin kung sino susunod na speaker natin.
yung cookie and then.
Ano sis? Ikaw nga yung magpang-ano doon.
Okay, are you ready for the next speaker?
Yes! Yes!
Gusto ni Sis Bridget sa...
Our next speaker is Unit 1 Head in Swansea.
Yes.
Mr. Bridget na lang mag-introduce.
Oh, na-delegate na siya eh, bro.
He's our...
Magbigay ko lang ng talk.
No,
Thank you, bro. Bro.
yeah. Anyway, I'm going to... nawala na naman. Ano ba to?
Inagis na
Kailangan ko na naman yata restart. Kailangan ko bumili ng bago.
Kunin sa background, software mo.
Diretso na.
Ha?
Hindi kasi important din itong talk na to eh.
Asa na picture?
I-email ko na lang, bro. Kasi i-email ko na lang sa inyo yung talk ko. Ayaw ko man. Samarin na lang daw. Oo,
Make up na lang.
Oo, isa. Oo, make up na lang. Para hindi pa ulit.
Ay, nawala ba yung signal?
Hindi, ano na, nag-upload na naman.
Akala ko, ikon mo kung closing.
Ang galing ni Bro Jado, no? Nung siya, hindi nag-up eh.
Registration is the key. Meron na akong kung sino gusto mag-talk 1. Talk.
Oo.
Basta sa servants, meron na
Tama, para ready na.
Take up na yung servants na ano.
Grabe ang servant. Parang instant. Parang...
Huwag na kayong mag-isip ng top 6. May alam na ako magto-top 6.
Talk 6, nakuha na rin.
Taken na kagad.
Patoxic kayo.
Toxic daw.
Bro, mamili ka na bro, habang maaga. Para hindi ka
So when
maaga.
you prayer warriors, DGL, in charge sa Lord's Day.
Ano lang ako, check care.
Bro, love you.
Ako bro, Marshall, meron tayo ko.
Grabe na ang nag-dessert. Kaya nag-dessert, charter.
Kids watch.
Kuna, unit head lang
Bro.
nag-dessert na.
Nanlalamig ka.
Nanlalamig.
Kasi nasisira yung nagpo-promotion ng ano.
Okay.
Laptop.
Ayan.
Nanlalamig ka.
Oo, eto na. Eto pinakamaganda sa lahat ng session.
Oo. Talaga. Wow! Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
5 years ago, 5 years ago.
Pagkagising lang eh.
Batang Quiapo! Ano ang Batang Quiapo?
Salamat bro. So, ang talk ko is
Narinig ko eh.
handling a discussion group.
Batang Quiapo.
So, previously or before, we had experience of to become a service team, a part of the service team. So, as we accept the role of becoming a member of the CLP, service team, we need to understand our individual roles. Yun nga, sabi kanina, meron tayong the servants, meron tayong the team leader, the assistant team leaders, prayer warriors. So all of us, meron tayong vital roles para magiging successful ang ating CLP. We have to help one another by fulfilling our different responsibilities with passion and excellence. We have to understand, brothers and sisters, that our specific roles and responsibility are equally important. Each of our contributions is vital in bringing other people to Christ. I forgot before I go on to the next slide. Ito yung, hopefully, maintindihan natin ang ating role to build our confidence and to provide first-hand experience. Be and bring Christ. So, ibig sabihin, we are bringing, we are evangelizing other couples to join our community. We kind of bring them to our God, Jesus Christ. So, yun nga, with our individual roles and responsibilities, hindi tayo gagana. As like our body, brothers and sisters, hindi gagana ang ating kamay if there's no coordination with our brains. Tayo din as service team, hindi tayo magiging successful kung hindi tayo magtutulungan. It's the key there is about teamwork. So there are tips, brothers and sisters, on how to handle a discussion group. First is to pray. Bakit mahalaga na tayo manalangin? So it is really important that every or before our CLP training and after our CLP training, it is very important for us to pray. Bakit? So that we'll be able to help or seek God's help. I've shared with you, I think, a verse nung nakarang GA that in everything we do, we have to submit, everything to the Lord. So if we have any concerns, difficulties, so just submit ourselves to the Lord with a sincere heart. Always begin and end your group sharing with a prayer. Know